In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sell USDT on Kucoin P2p in 2025. This guide is designed to simplify the process. So whether you're a seasoned trader or new to the platform, you'll find this walkthrough useful. First, we need to head over to the Kucoin website. Open your preferred web browser and navigate to kucoin.com. Once you're there, you'll want to log into your account. If you don't have an account yet, you will need to create one by following the on-screen instructions. Just ensure you have a working email and complete any necessary verification processes. After you've logged in successfully, you should find yourself on the Kucoin homepage. From here, focus on navigating to the cryptocurrency section. Click on the Buy Cryptocurrency option. This is where you can access various features, including buying and selling different cryptocurrencies, one of which is USDT. If you're having trouble finding this section, it's often prominently displayed on the main interface, making it easier for users like you to find what you need without hassle. When you're in the Buy Cryptocurrency section, look for the P2p trading option. The P2p, or peer-to-peer section, allows you to deal directly with buyers or sellers, providing a bit more flexibility and potentially better rates than conventional trading. Click on the P2p button to navigate to that section. Now, let's switch gears to the selling process. Once you're in the P2p section, locate the Sell option, which should be prominently displayed. Clicking on Sell will take you to an interface where potential buyers are listed. Here, your task is to select a buyer. It's essential to choose a buyer thoughtfully. Look for those with high ratings and multiple successful transactions to ensure a smoother and safer transaction. These ratings are usually listed alongside the buyer's details and play a crucial role in making your choice. Once you've selected your preferred buyer, click on their profile or offer, and you'll be guided through the selling process. This will generally involve specifying the amount of USDT you wish to sell and agreeing on a payment method. Kucoin facilitates several options, so pick one that suits you. Remember, it's important to verify all the details before finalizing any trade. Double-check the USDT amount and the agreed payment method. Once everything looks good, confirm the trade. After this, you may need to wait for the buyer to transfer the payment. Once you have received the payment, ensure you confirm the receipt to complete the transaction. And that's it. You've successfully sold USDT on Kucoin's P2p platform. I hope you found this guide straightforward and helpful. Keep experimenting and exploring other functionalities that Kucoin offers to enhance your trading experience. Thank you for watching, and happy trading!